Hi, I'm James Miller, a solutions consultant at Bloom Global. I've been with the company now for 13 years, and within that time, I've seen both trucking software and the logistics supply chain space revolutionize. The industry today, as we know it, is filled with manual processes and phone calls for everything from accepting loads to assigning drivers, creating and transferring bills of lading, to capturing and creating proof of delivery documents, and even sending and tracking invoices. Because of this, small to mid-sized trucking companies are less efficient, and they're really at a disadvantage when working with large 3PLs and shippers. Today, I'm going to show you how Bloom Global is making trucking software technology accessible to everyone, enabling the small to mid-sized trucking companies around the world to compete on a level playing field with the big guys. Our technology leverages Bloom Global's network with over 26 years of experience in creating solutions for trucking companies. As Bloom, we service thousands of motor carriers in over 130 countries around the world. Our Bloom Carrier Go Premium is optimized for you and for your driver's mobile device, allowing you to access its features at any point in the shipment lifecycle and for your end customers to receive live updates and alerts along the journey. So let's get started. I'm going to now share my screen to demo our newest product, Carrier Go Premium. Bloom has designed Carrier Go to be as user-friendly and as flexible as possible. The first way we do this is by allowing for languages to be changed on the fly. If I want to change from English to Spanish, for instance, it's as simple as selecting the Spanish option, and all the user guides, tabs, and navigation elements are changed to that local language. If, for instance, we wanted to modify the view and save that view for future use, anywhere Bloom displays grid information, we allow for customized views to be resized, reordered, frozen, grouped, exported, and then saved for future use. Upon entering Bloom's Carrier Go application, the first thing I see is my landing page and dashboard. This dashboard helps me understand as a motor carrier what actions I should take next, including work orders that I need to accept or reject from my customers, those that need to be added and updated with appointment times, or even those work orders where I need to indicate an arrival time or include a proof of delivery document. Carrier Go has full support for managing your fleet of trucks, trailers, containers, and chassis, including identifications for makes and models, mileage, and various service attributes. Inspections and license documentation, including history and renewal information, are also readily available to ensure your fleet stays in service and on the road. With Carrier Go Premium, creating work orders is a breeze. Simply click the Create Work Order option from the drop-down menu and fill in the header, unit, and stop information, and save. For recurring work, I can use the template option to auto-populate any data elements that are consistent across multiple orders. Carrier Go allows me to easily assign specific legs to unique drivers for execution of the move. I simply navigate to the Jobs tab, which shows me all assigned legs, choose the individual jobs to be assigned to the specific driver, and then pick the driver from the drop-down listing. After applying the driver's name, the individual legs and those segments are set directly to that driver's mobile device via the Bloom Carrier Go mobile app. Updating and creating appointments within Carrier Go is easy. I'll simply open the work order to be updated and navigate to the Appointments tab. All 3 stops on this work order are displayed, and I can open up the individual stop to be updated with the relevant appointment times. I have flexibility on how I report my appointments, including at, after, or before a specific time, or even a window appointment between 2 and 4 p.m., for example. To indicate a date and time for the appointment, I'll simply use the calendar icon, update the work order, and as soon as the updates are made, I have it available for my team and for my customers. Carrier Go Mobile allows me to easily interact with my trucking company dispatchers. I can see all of the individual work orders that I've yet to execute and update those that I'm moving in real time. If I need help navigating to a specific location, I can leverage the routing information within Carrier Go Mobile. I can see hazmat indicators, and I can even begin to report events. If I want to report a basic pickup or delivery event, I can do so by indicating the unit ID and or the chassis event. If I have a problem with a delivery or a pickup, I can indicate that to my customers along with comments. And if I need to capture an image of a proof of delivery or generate an electronic proof of delivery, Carrier Go Mobile has me covered. To report an electronic proof of delivery, I'll simply hand the device over to the recipient for signature, sign on glass, accept the proof of delivery document, and an electronic version is immediately created and associated to that work order. Carrier Go Mobile also supports real-time tracking for my drivers, which allows me to see where my drivers are in real time as they're proceeding through to their destinations. I can see where tracking was initiated, where they're heading to, and what the progress to completion is. I can also provide this information directly to my customer base. Carrier Go also allows my accounts payable team to easily generate invoices for my customers. I'll simply navigate to the Invoice Create tab, select the individual charges at a work order, unit, or charge level to be invoiced, and then choose whether I want those charges to be grouped by unit, by work order, or by customer. On behalf of the team at Bloom, thanks for your time today. You can check us out at carriergo.com